right? And there's a 50%. At this point, I think 50% chance kuanguka ni lower chance. It's probably 80.
I think it's gone to about 70.
After 70, you're being generous. Let's be honest. 84.
The marriage is very young.
Yeah, I like that. Especially.
But do you think it's a good thing, Michelle? Like the whole demolition of the institution and...
Yes. Oh, I was dying on this thing.
Why? It serves a purpose
Yes.
at a certain time.
Right now, it's obsolete. No.
So what are we replacing it with? And this is the issue. Where are we moving?
What she said. Partnership.
May I think
What
it's
she said,
whereby if you feel like you guys are not aligning anymore, it's a
But you're committed
You know,
to
I
each
realized
other.
marriage is an illusion.
What?
This week,
Okay, go on.
ilikuwa jaba.
Uh-huh.
It's an illusion because
Oh.
we get the people thinking that we mtu saizi niacha, even when I have kids,
The
they
illusion
always
of
be there.
security.
But the real thing is, there's no way you can keep a human being that does not want to be kept.
There's only one way
There's
to
nothing
end
you can do, whether you're married or not.
I agree. But on the flip side, the argument is mostly used with